Stop scrolling for a second and take a good look at your TV setup. Chances are it's pretty standard, a screen, maybe a soundbar, and a streaming box. Most people think the Apple TV is just another black box for Netflix or YouTube. They expect the next model to be slightly faster, maybe a bit smaller. But that couldn't be further from the truth. Dig into patents, code leaks, and supply chain whispers, and a completely different picture emerges. The Apple TV 2026 isn't just a streaming device. It's rumored to replace your game console, smart home hub, and even your remote control. Here are 5 secret features that might make the Apple TV 2026 the most underrated tech launch of the decade. First up, phantom camera and gesture control. Imagine controlling your TV without touching a remote. Just lift your hand to pause, wave to skip, or twist your wrist to adjust volume. Apple's spatial gesture patents suggest a sensor bar or a connection to your iPhone could track your movements in 3D space, turning you into the remote. Second, we have the silent console killer. Apple's new chips, possibly the M4 or a 19 Pro, could enable console-quality AAA gaming, complete with hardware accelerated ray tracing. Imagine playing Grand Theft Auto 6 on a compact device under $200. Apple is quietly partnering with studios to deliver near-zero lag gaming, all disguised as a streaming box. The third feature is local neural engine and proactive smart home. Forget Siri delays or cloud privacy issues. This Apple TV may process commands locally, learning your habits and automating your environment. Lights dim, blinds close, and your home reacts before you even ask, all without sending your data to the cloud. Next, audio holography. Using your iPhone's LiDAR scanner, the Apple TV could map your room and simulate phantom speakers with computational audio. Imagine full surround sound without wires or extra speakers. Just math and processing power creating an invisible home theater. Finally, the hybrid OS could act as the brain for Apple's future AR glasses. The TV becomes a hub for lightweight glasses, doing all heavy processing while streaming content to your eyewear. It's not just a movie player, it's the anchor for the next decade of Apple tech. In short, the Apple TV 2026 could see your gestures, play console-level games, run your smart home, create holographic audio, and power future AR devices. Apple is sneaking a Trojan horse into your living room. You buy it for 4K movies, and suddenly you don't need a game console, smart speaker, or extra hardware. If these rumors are true, this might be the best value tech product of the year. Which feature excites you the most? Would you trust a camera in your living room for gesture control? Or are you just hyped to play GTA 6 on a tiny box? Let me know in the comments. If you enjoyed this deep dive, hit like, share with your friends still stuck with old cable boxes, and subscribe to GadgetVerse for the latest tech leaks and rumors.